To become a Xero certified advisor, start by creating a Xero partner account, which is free and provides access to various resources and training materials. Next, enroll in the Xero Advisor Certification Program, which is designed to help you develop the skills and knowledge needed to effectively use Xero and provide advisory services to clients. The certification program consists of a series of online courses and exams that cover key concepts, such as setting up and managing Xero files, processing transactions, and generating reports. You will also learn about more advanced topics such as budgeting, forecasting, and financial analysis. To prepare for the exams, it is recommended that you complete all the required courses and practice exercises, and review the study materials provided by Xero. You can also join the Xero Community Forum to connect with other advisors and get tips and advice on how to pass the exams. Once you have completed the certification program, you will be awarded the Xero Certified Advisor designation, which demonstrates your expertise and knowledge of Xero and your ability to provide high-quality advisory services to clients. To maintain your certification, you will need to complete ongoing education and training requirements, which will help you stay up to date with the latest features and developments in Xero. Throughout the certification process, it is essential to apply the knowledge and skills you learn to real-world scenarios. By practicing with sample Xero files and case studies, this will help you develop the practical skills and experience needed to become a successful Xero certified advisor. By following these steps and committing to ongoing education and training, you can become a Xero certified advisor and enhance your career prospects and earning potential.